Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. The news which everyone knows is that DRDO successfully test fired India's first indigenously developed anti radiation missile, which is Rudram 1, on October 9, 2020. This particular test firing happened at interim test range Balasore off the coast of Odisha in the Bay of Bengal. This video will give some known and unknown facts and information about this particular missile. Rudram 1 is an air to surface, new generation anti radiation missile which is under development by the Defense Research and Development Organization. And this missile is to provide an air superiority tactical capability for the Indian Air Force fighters. The main purpose of this missile is to primarily for suppressing the enemy air defenses, the surveillance radars, the tracking and communication systems. The approximate mass of the Rudram missile is around 140 kg and it is of length of 5.5 meters. The operational range of this anti-radiation missile is between 100 to 250 kilometers. For now, the indigenous missile can be fired from Sukhoi Su-30 Mki fighter, and there are plans to integrate the same with Dassault Mirage 2000, the Jaguar fighters, the HAL Tejas and the medium weight fighters in future. These missiles can be launched from a height ranging from 500 meters to 15 kilometers so that it can carry out its mission. The maximum speed is said to be around Mach 2.0. This missile will feature a millimeter wave seeker transmitting on frequencies of 30 GHz and above while capable of lock-on before launch and lock-on after launch modes. The mid-course guidance is accomplished through an inertial navigation system combined with the GPS satellite guidance. This missile is a single stage with cruciform wing surface to increase high maneuverability and to give the constant aerodynamic characteristics similar to Astra beyond visual range air-to-air missiles. DRDO is also planning to bring further software improvements to handle a large variety of targets under various operational conditions. And this is also while developing a separate ground-based variant to be launched from mobile launchers. Post this missile's induction, the Indian Air Force will have the capability to perform suppression of enemy air defense operations, that too deep into the enemy territory to destroy the enemy air defense setup. The suppression of radar systems will enable India's jets to carry out missions without having to worry about facing threats from the radar-guided surface-to-air missiles. So that was a quick reference regarding all vital properties and information about the Rudram 1 anti-radiation missile. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.